This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you not only how to view the word count, but to keep a tally of the word count on your screen in Google Docs. Here I have a document, and let's suppose I want to know how many words are in here. What you do is you go to Tools, and then you select Word Count. From here, you can see the number of pages, the number of words, and the number of characters. And it's great that I have this box that I can pull up when I want to know the word count. But if I want to keep the word count visible on my screen, maybe because I have a limit or I have a minimum, then you can click this box that says display word count while typing. And when you click OK, now that appears in the lower left-hand corner. So when I add more text, you can see that this tally increases. And when you click on this down arrow, you can get those other stats that you saw in the box from earlier. So this video shows you how to find the word count and keep a tally of that word count on your screen in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.